welcome to the world. 747 landing at Los Angeles. So I am a English company. Well, I'm based in Los Angeles, but I come from England, of course. We do have a Virgin Atlantic 747 landing here now at the beautiful countryside of Los Angeles. Oh, that's a hard landing. People are going to be like bouncing on their seats. But this is it. And we have a brand new 747 landing now in front of Los Angeles. So we don't know who I am. I'm a presenter come from here in Los Angeles. Presenter of LA World and anybody around the world. So anybody is illegal. So yeah, that's up to you. Sorry, I'm not English. Sorry. Yeah, but this is a 747 touching down now in from Manchester, which is very impressive. So I've asked LAX to come. Oh no, sorry, I've flown here. No, I didn't. I'm not living here. I've flown here on holiday, and I've asked Los Angeles if I can use the airport air sign, and they said yes, and that's why we're spotting here. Look at this girl. She's coming right towards us. Cosmic girl, look at that.